I bet you can't get this Python question right. Only professional programmers can. Am I wrong? Try your best and write your answer in the comment section before realizing the real answer. You choose either A, B, C or D. Alright, this is our program. But before running to realize the correct output, let me explain a little bit about this expression here, this one. As you see, we have operator written as a pair of stars. This means exponential, alright? It's written as x exponential n. Do you see? So here n is 3. To mean that for exponential we take that number, which is now x, then you multiply it with itself n times. I think it's understandable. For example, here we can just do 5 times 5 times 5, because here our n is equal to 3 and our x is equal to 5. It's already initialized here. That's why we take 5 star 5 star 5. To mean is 5 times 5 times 5. Alright, that is what we can do about this part. And also after we add, we do then after we add it with these two by using this plus operator or just addition operator. I think also it's understandable. So to mean that here our answer will be 127, cause 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 125. Alright, then plus 2. This will be equal to 127. From our question, this is what we should choose. To mean that our correct answer is C based on these options. So let us run it to check whether it's correct. Let me delete this line, even though it's comment, but let me delete it. As usual, we just click on this run icon to check an output. Wait a little bit, and as you see, our output is 127 as we already explained. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, share it to your colleagues, and remember to open the bell so that whenever we upload a new lesson you will get notification automatically. So see you in the next lesson.